Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about toners. Like basically I'm going to tell you why you need to use your toners daily and how you can use your toners. In the past, like I thought toners were just, accessories. Like when I mean accessory, like those kind of products that you really do not need. Ever since I became like serious with my skincare and all that, I'm a beauty therapist, so I've been doing a lot of research on skin. I found out that toning the face is very essential. First of all, what toners do generally is that they help to take off all the impurities that were left behind after cleansing the face. So the impurities the cleanser didn't take off, it will take it off. Then the cleanser residue, because sometimes we rinse our face and we do not rinse our faces thoroughly. So this is what the job of a toner. So toner will ensure that basically it helps to take off the residue of, be it cleanser, be it makeup, or even like sebum and all that. And not just that, what toners do as well is that they help to balance the pH of the skin. So some cleansers would make the skin too alkaline. So what toners basically do, good toners though, not just every toners, because I know that there's some wild toners out there. Anyway, what a good toner should do is that it should get your skin back to pH of about 5.5. I know it will not go around to measure. That's the ideal pH of the skin. So yeah, so it helps to balance the pH of the skin. And when the skin is balanced, the skin's pH is balanced, then what you call the acid mantle. So if you do not know, acid mantle is sort of a protective barrier on the skin. And what the acid mantle does is that it keeps away microorganisms that want to invade the skin at that pH range. Then the acid mantle is intact, so you do not want to tamper with your acid mantle. So this is basically one of the things the toners help ensure to keep in check. So now my current toner is from APRILSKIN and is the Atomicity Rice Essence Toner. I like this because it's not just a toner, it's an essence as well. And if you can see, I have practically run out of it. It's just that little left. I use this every single day. I use this morning and night. And you can use your toners in various ways. You can just simply pour it on your palm like so, and then apply it all over your face like that. Just dab it into your skin. You can do this right after washing your face. You can do this especially if you've got dry skin or if you've got really dehydrated skin and you just want to add more hydration and all that. Just put it on your palm, press it in before applying other serums onto your skin. It could be your vitamin C's, your niacinamide, or what have you got. You just pat it onto your skin. One of the pros of this method is that you don't waste any products as opposed to putting it on cotton pad. But me personally, I like to use a cotton pad because I found out that this product helps to exfoliate my skin. And when it exfoliates my skin, other products I use subsequently gets to penetrate better into my skin. And personally, whenever I use this on cotton pad like so, I'm just going to do that method for you guys to see, and swipe it all over my face. I like to go this way. I like to do it this way. That way I'm also I'm not just wiping my face, but I'm also doing a bit of lymphatic drainage. I just wipe my entire face with this, and I realize that whenever I'm done doing this, feels really calming. It doesn't sting at all. I have used some toners in the past that is quite drying, quite stinging, contains alcohol. Those kind of toners are just not for me. And this one, I like it because it is suitable. In my opinion, I feel it's very suitable for almost all skin types. And it's something that you can, from time to time, if you feel your face needs more hydration, you can just splash it on your face, and you will be you feel quite hydrated. And this is amazing because it's calming. So it helps to calm the skin. It's really hydrating. It contains about 4 types of hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is amazing for the skin. Hyaluronic acid, they have different molecular sizes. So, and the skin layer, as we know, we have different skin layers basically. If you don't know, so these 4 types of hyaluronic acid get to penetrate different layers of the skin. And hyaluronic acid, because it holds up to 1,000 times of its water weight, it is ideal for the skin. And hyaluronic acid, the body on its own produces hyaluronic acid. In general, hyaluronic acid is amazing for the skin. It helps the skin to be plump, supple, and well hydrated. Atomicity, which I believe is also a very super ingredient. I need to look more into that. But this is something, this particular toner I have been using for, no jokes, not this particular bottle, but this particular brand of toner I have been using for getting to 4 months now, and I don't think I'm going to stop using this toner anytime soon, because it is just that toner that does it for me. I have seen a lot of improvement ever since I started using this toner, and oh my days, like, you guys need to experience this toner, and like, it's just amazing. It's like, God, you guys need to see it. I'm not going to show you what this pad looks like, but it will be too much information, and I know some of you who just like it, but I like what it does. It basically, what it's doing now is that it's helping to exfoliate my skin, taking off dead skin cells, because if these dead skin cells are still on my face, when I use other products, the other products are not going to penetrate in as well, and it's just going to be a waste of product. So you see that. So toning the face is very essential. If you do not tone your face, start toning your face from now, and you should definitely give APRILSKIN a try, because it is tested and trusted. It is my all-time favorite. And then after using your toners, you can proceed to, like I said, using your serums. It could be your vitamin C's, it could be your retinols or whatever. Proceed to using that. You'll be good to go. Like, you certainly see a big difference when you incorporate toners into this into your skincare routine. And there's some toners that come with spray, so you can just spray it all over your face and you're good to go. Toners are supposed to feel hydrating, calming, and soothing. So if you're using a toner out there and they don't have these qualities, it's not hydrating, it's not calming, it's not soothing, it stings, stop using it now. Or you're breaking out, or having one of those funny things on your face, just stop using it now. It is not the ideal toner for you. So I just wanted to come out here and give you guys this tip, let you know, because on this channel I'm all about skincare. So if you've got any questions, any video suggestions you'd like to see on my channel, don't hesitate to drop that in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do my best to review if it's a product or do any routine or stuff like that. I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And I think I'll be doing a giveaway. Should I or should I not? Yeah. Oh, how could I forget this bit? Thank you, APRILSKIN, for partnering with me in this video. For that, I'm going to do a giveaway. So if you'd like to participate in the giveaway, I'll drop all the details in the description box below. Do not be left behind. So just check the description box below for all the details of the information on how to participate and win some APRILSKIN products. And yes, good luck out there. This has to be it for today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.